thought he was away from me, and he was like, this is a good place to be. He keeps walking past. I turn around at one point, had his pants completely down, was off.
All right, man, come with me, all right?
Yes, sir.
You remove any clothing or anything like that?
Not at all. No, sir.
On April 23, 2024, deputies with the Indian River County Sheriff's Office responded to a residential address in Vero Beach, Florida. Within moments of arrival, it became clear something disturbing had just occurred. A 68-year-old man had allegedly exposed himself in broad daylight, shocking a passerby who immediately reported the incident. The entire event was captured on body cam footage.
I was walking back there.
Okay.
And guy was following me.
Okay, here, let's go over here in the shade.
Yes, sir. He kept following me, and then he I got to one spot, thought he was away from me, and he was like, this is a good place to be.
Okay.
I was like, what the why? Walked away, started running the other way. He keeps walking past. I turned around at one point when I got up to the observation tower, and he had his pants completely down, was off.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I was running back away from him, and then this other guy that I had seen him here before with that guy, they were here when I first pulled up.
Okay.
He like pulled around when he saw me on the phone and with this guy, and then he just got like literally like didn't look, just like drove out really fast.
So where's the guy that...
The other guy kept running. He just like
so
was in
the guy that was chasing
naked.
you,
Yes, sir.
naked,
He's still in there.
he's in the woods still?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I had to run out because he kept following me.
Okay. And you're saying that the other guy, you've seen him with...
I saw him when I pulled up. He was with that guy.
Okay.
When I pulled up.
So that guy just pulled in here and then left.
He didn't even stop. He just like came, saw that I was like talking on the phone and with him, and he got out.
Okay.
I took a picture of his license plate.
Okay, so you have a picture of his license plate?
Yes, sir.
Can you bring that up for me?
Yes, sir.
I was sitting there working in my truck, and he come running up too.
I had to knock because I was like, I didn't know if this guy was still chasing me.
I can only process so much information at one time.
I'm cool.
Sorry, brother.
No problem.
I've never been. Obviously, so.
Well, just give me the tag first, and then we'll figure everything else out.
Yes, sir.
Can I see your phone?
Yes, sir.
So did he touch you? Did any of that kind of stuff?
Sir. I just turned around and he was looking at me.
Okay, and then he was chasing you after that point as
He
well?
was following me. He went right up to the bridge where I was, and I was trying to get away from him.
Okay.
And I had no other way to go because that observation tower, I didn't know, just goes right up. So
okay.
I was like, oh, shit. I had to walk past him again.
Okay. Did you see any of this, or no? You were just...
I'm just working, and he come up and knocked on my window, and no disrespect, he was panicking.
Yes, sir.
And I got off my conference call, said, I got to go, somebody needs me. And he told me he asked me if I'd watch because some guy was in the woods chasing him. And I said,
okay. Nope, no problem. What's your first name, sir?
Tim.
Can I stay out of this because I'm working, or do I got to?
Your car is here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, could we go over there?
Yes, sir. And I believe that is his car.
Which one?
That guy's. It's the only other car in the parking lot.
Okay.
And I believe he was standing, obviously that was a lot, so I don't remember exactly, but I believe he was standing before.
Next to it?
In. Yeah, like
okay.
as soon as I walked in, they started walking in after me, so I knew they were like.
Okay, so both of them were together, both of them walked in.
They were like around each other.
Okay.
They weren't standing.
You want to grab your driver's license? This is your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's your white truck, I'm assuming? That's the truck you were in? Yeah. You said you wanted to stay out of this as much as possible?
I just started this job.
All right.
I retired from Comcast, and I'm working here, and I'm just like, some guy come running out of the woods saying some naked guy was chasing him. And he come running up, he's on the phone, and then I could tell he was really panicking, and then he runs over and knocks on my, knocks real hard on the window. He goes, man, can you watch out for me? He goes, I'm on the phone with the cops, and there's some naked guy chasing me through the woods. And I was like, I had to hit mute on it because I'm on a conference call. And
I get it. Ooh. Hey, can you give me a description of the guy that's still in the woods?
Yes, sir. Blue shirt, white male.
What color shorts?
60s. I'm not sure.
Okay, blue shirt, white male.
Yeah.
60s.
Glasses.
Uh-huh.
Not a big build.
So basically, I have another patrol deputy that's going to come here. He'll take the entire report. I'm sure you want to go forward with whatever.
Oh, yeah, that was crazy.
All right, no problem.
Like, he was following me.
So he'll be here very shortly, and he's going to ask you basically from A to Z.
Well, I'm just curious. Like, would you wait for something like then you wait?
Yeah, we're gonna try and find him.
And then see if okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We'll try and find him.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So I'm good sitting here.
Yeah, just hang out, start the car, turn the AC on, relax.
Thank you.
Yep. You don't need an ambulance or anything, do you?
Oh no, I'm good. I was just shaking up because I had to run out because I didn't know if you had anything on here.
Okay.
So I just had to run the whole way. I'm good. I was just tired.
Okay. And you're saying it was near the observation tower?
Yes, sir. I turned back. I was literally about to be like up on the observation tower, like going up, and I turned back and I saw it. That's when he had his pants down and everything.
Okay, and where's the absolute? Was he next to a bridge or anything like that?
Well, when at the observation tower, there's a spot with the sign that says, like, not patrolled,
Okay.
like an area that you don't go down or whatever.
Right.
And he went down that area after I started running.
Okay.
So,
Alrighty, thank you.
thank you, sir. Do you need anything? I just heard you call.
Basically, this guy says he was basically kind of just like walking back there. Yeah.
Hello, gentlemen. You got any weapons on you, anything like that?
No, just my phone.
All right, I'm gonna ask you a few questions, okay?
How you doing?
It's good. How's it going? You have your ID on you?
1198
In your car?
I believe you just walked out. Stand by 1 second.
Can I get it?
He's an RO.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool.
What's an RF?
Nah, then don't worry about it. Here, do me a favor. Just turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Can I get my car? Get my ID?
Nope. I already know who you are.
Can I ask what this is about?
Yep, we'll let you know.
All right, man. Come with me, all right?
Yes, sir.
I don't know what's going on. Deacon, you got gloves on?
All right, man. Do me a favor. Put your chest up against the car forward.
Yes, sir. Keys and cigarettes are in the other pocket. That's all I had.
Got what?
Keys and cigarettes are in this pocket.
Okay.
That's all I had.
You good?
Ending 11749.
Separate, you a little bit wider. Sit down in the car. I'm trying to help you so you don't fall forward, okay? Colin, if you want to hang out with him, the car's unlocked. If you want to sit in it, okay? He got AC turned on. Let's go talk to the victim over here, okay? Hey, he's gonna talk to you, okay? Are you the victim? Yes, sir. Reporting this? Can you step out of the car so we can talk to you?
Yes, sir.
You can tell me exactly.
Yes, sir. So I pulled up, and I noticed these two guys around here. That gentleman.
He's one of them?
Yes, sir.
He's with someone else?
I believe so. And I took a picture of his license plate and I showed it to the other cop as well.
And I believe you.
Because when he came back, well, let me just go through the start. So I pulled up, saw those gentlemen. So I started walking. As soon as I started walking, I was like, they just started walking. They started walking. As soon as I started walking, I was like, that's weird. Mm-hmm. And then the guy in the blue shirt, he was already in there. Walked right past him. So I keep going.
Time out for a second. Is he clothed at this moment?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sir. He's close.
Continue.
Yes, sir. And we just keep walking down. I keep walking down. I keep noticing, like, he's pretty close. So I speed up. He's still pretty close. I get to one spot.
Speed up means walking fast or running?
Walking fast, sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is he saying anything to you?
No, not yet.
Okay, keep going.
And then we get to, I believe it's called the overlook of the wetlands or something. And I sit down, or not sit down, I'm just chilling there. And I notice he's walking up. As soon as he walks up
towards you?
Yeah, as soon as he walks up, he gets on the observation pier. He sits down, he's like, isn't this a nice place to be naked? I'm like,
This is what he tells you?
that's what he says to me.
This is the first thing he tells you?
The first thing he tells me, he said, like, it's beautiful out, it's nice out. And then right after that was, this is a nice place to be naked, isn't it? And I was like, I walk past him, and then I'm going around again to get to the big observation deck. And then I notice him again behind me. And so I speed up again. And then once I get to where you start walking up to the observation deck, I turn around, and when I turned around, his pants were down. And he was And so
What was he looking at you directly?
yeah, he was looking directly at me. I couldn't see.
I'm not trying to be vulgar.
No, yeah, I hear you. I saw he was off. Like I saw his hand.
He's looking right at
He
you.
was looking right at me. Cause I turned around and I was like, holy f-. And so then I started going up the observation thing, thinking I could get out that way.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's no way to get out that way. So he literally came up to the observation pier, but had his pants on at that time, at the observation pier. And so I had to fucking walk past him. Now as soon as I get past him, I start running. And then I'm calling the fucking cops. And then he turns and he starts going to the one trail that says like not
Is he running
management.
or walking?
At that point, he started like moving fast that way.
Like-
I took off running past him.
But he starts like somewhat running too.
At that point, yeah, he was running away, but not towards me. At that point, he was running away after I said I'm calling the fucking cops.
Nothing else he said after that, right? I think he says it's nice to be like he didn't say anything to you.
Nothing like.
I gotta just ask,
Oh yeah, nothing. He said like it's beautiful out, stuff like that.
but nothing general,
Nothing
like look at me or anything like that.
No,
right?
no, sir.
Okay, all right,
No.
all right. So
And I think he might have been taking pictures of me, because when I had turned around the one time, his phone was up, so I don't know if he was taking pictures of me when I was
okay.
walking.
What?
Because I had my shirt off too, so I put my shirt on once I noticed he was like looking at me weird.
Okay, all right. You know something you gotta ask him about this? It's what we have to ask to go forward.
If you want to press charges against.
Yeah, what does that take of me? Just curious.
He's gotta be a victim of a crime. State attorney office is gonna reach out to you.
Yeah.
And then once after that, it's up to you, your cooperation, how you are with the state attorney office.
Yeah, that was fun. I don't want that to happen to somebody.
Okay.
Yeah, I definitely want to go through it.
You're gonna be a victim of. Okay.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna be charged with something called exposure of sex. Right? You seen this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Master.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which car he was in?
That car at the end.
That gray car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Was he with anybody else?
I believe he wasn't in the car with somebody.
Suspected, not
Yes, sir.
100%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right.
I gave them a
Where's this other
description.
guy that came to help you? I heard there was somebody else.
He was in a truck right here.
He left,
but
though?
he left. Yes, sir.
Okay.
He waited until everybody got.
You don't know this guy from anywhere?
The guy that.
Older guy?
No, sir.
And you saw him when we just put handcuffs on him? You saw him, right?
Oh yeah, that was him.
Okay, that's
yeah,
him? Okay.
100%.
Okay, so you
No
identified
questions.
him.
Yeah.
How long ago did this happen? Before we got here? Before he got here?
Probably like
Couple minutes?
25 minutes. We were literally at the observation thing.
How long
And
did
So
I
you
had-
had to run back and
Yeah,
stuff
sir.
like that?
Yeah, so probably like 20, because it took the cops like probably 10 minutes to get here, so probably like 25 minutes.
Write down, is this car registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Write down his tag, just put like Florida tag.
Okay.
You don't gotta run it, put Florida tag.
But the other guy that came up, he came up when I got out and I was on the phone and I had knocked on this gentleman's door to just watch my back. He saw me on the phone and put his head down and got like sped up to get out of here. So that's why I was like,
You're talking about the other person that
yes, sir.
that was possibly with him?
Yes, sir.
Did you see them talking at all?
I didn't, but they were both out of the car right near each other. Yes, sir.
Do you got any video footage of this? We just gotta ask.
No, sir.
Okay, it just helps us out if you did.
Yeah, I should have, but I was like,
No,
I
we
didn't
get-
know
you-
if he had something. So honestly, I was trying to like,
Were you in fear of him?
yeah, I thought he was gonna have, not in fear of him like doing something to me, but I was like, if he has a gun or a knife, I'm fucked because
Wait.
there's nobody out here.
Not. We were all men, right? Probably. He's an older gentleman, but you were in some type of fear of him.
Oh
Like,
yes, sir.
Maybe he was on.
just because he kept closing distance when it would get tight in the walk.
Okay.
Like I could feel him, like I could hear him.
How long it
coming
took
up.
him to come emerge out of the woods here after you got here?
Probably like 40 minutes.
It took him a while.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You want to sit down for a second, turn your AC,
sir.
get comfortable,
Yes, sir.
and we'll give you the outcome. Okay.
Yes,
We got to go talk to him, and we want to at least tell you what's going to happen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So,
Yes, sir.
how you doing? What's your name?
Jack?
Jack. All right. So I'm gonna read you your rights. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. All right. So once you got here, explain to me exactly what you do when you
Well, I
arrived
got
to
here.
this location.
When I arrived here, I sat in my car for a few minutes talking on my phone, and then I decided to go for a walk because I come here walking occasionally.
Okay.
And I started walking back by the trails. I was going to go back to the overlook.
Were you meeting anyone here, or you just here by
I was here
yourself?
by myself. Yes,
All right.
sir.
So when you got to this location, did you talk to anyone?
That gentleman there, we talked a couple times. In passing.
The gentleman in the vehicle.
Yes, sir.
All right. Anyone else?
No, sir. There's
Okay.
nobody else back there. There's only one way in and out to the back to the tower back there.
When did you talk to him?
We passed once when we were walking back that way. He passed me when I was on my phone, and then we went back. I passed him another time, and we chatted for a minute, and that was it.
What did you guys talk about?
Just how nice a day it was, and we were out walking. That was it.
Did you say anything else to him?
No, just how nice of a day it was, and just walking and looking at the water. That was it.
All right. While you were interacting with him, did you remove any clothing or anything like that?
Not at all. No, sir.
Okay. Because he's saying that you were exposing yourself to him.
Never.
And
we were never. He had his shirt off. I was fully clothed the whole time.
the whole time.
Yes, sir.
All right. And when you had your phone, were you taking pictures of him or anything like
No,
that?
sir. No.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't take pictures of people. Not unless I get permission from somebody to take a picture of them, but no.
All right.
I'm gonna ask you for the consent to go through your phone.
Go through my phone?
Consent from you to go through your phone. You're saying you didn't take pictures of them, right?
No, I did not.
Okay, so I'm requesting consent to verify that.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
Okay. All right. All right. What about, is there anything illegal in your vehicle?
No, sir.
Okay, nothing at all.
No.
Okay, give us a second. Do you have anybody that can come pick up your car?
Am I going to be leaving here?
No, you're not.
Am I going to be leaving here, I'm asking?
No, you're being placed under arrest
For what charge, sir?
for similar to what you did before, exposure.
I didn't expect.
I'm not arrest you. This guy here is making a decision based on what the facts he collected. We're not here to argue about it. We already made a decision. So what do you need done with your car? Is there anybody who can come get it? Because if not, then we were thinking about towing it.
Oh, please don't tell
So
me.
do you have anybody? Where's your wife at?
It's my husband. He's at work.
Okay, can he come get the car?
If I can call him.
Okay.
I don't have
Hey,
my...
we're gonna leave it here. He's gonna arrange somebody to come pick it up.
All right. So we are going to take him in. We are going to have a report on it.
Okay.
If you do want a case number, I can get that for you.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
If you don't, could I get a number for you?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure they're going to call you
Regardless?
since you're the victim. Yeah.
Okay. What about the other guy?
The other guy,
Yeah, just curious.
we don't have enough. He wasn't here at
So like even
by the
using
time we arrived. I mean, you did give us his license plate.
Yes, sir.
So we ran him up. We couldn't really find anything.
Oh, really?
So,
like you guys can't like legally do anything at that point. Okay.
So he wasn't here. He wasn't the one that.
That's fine. That is scary though, like because
Yeah.
it did seem like they were together. Is the only.
So you think they were like trying to
They were
plan
like
something or in cahoots?
100%. How they looked at each other and then looked at me and shit, like, yeah, I knew something was up. So that's the only thing.
So
like,
the fact that he's not here is kind of tough, but we do have his information from what you gave us. We know who the person is.
So like the only way though he could get in trouble basically is for him to do something.
Yeah.
That's fucked.
But
I just don't want somebody else to like
Nah,
have to deal with that,
completely,
especially like a younger person. That would be
completely
fucked
understand. Completely. So yeah, we're taking him.
up. Okay, good.
That's as much as we can do right now.
Okay, appreciate that.
If you still want the case number, it's just to look up the case
And like
later
see
on.
his charges
Look
and
up
shit.
look up the report.
Oh yeah, if
stuff
you
like
don't
that.
mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be right back and get that to you. All right. No problem.
According to official records, the suspect was identified as 68-year-old Jack Lee Jenkins of Vero Beach, Florida. He was arrested at the scene and charged under Florida Statute 800.03(1) A for exposure of sexual organs, first offense. At the time of the incident, Jenkins had no outstanding warrants or known criminal history. He is currently awaiting trial and is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.